We got a very, very special guest inside the house right now. Want us to pick it up to Docta Dee inside the house. What you saying, Docta Dee?
Good, man. How you doing?
You good?
Yeah, bro.
Alright, blessings to Docta Dee. You know what this thing go.
Thanks for having me, man.
So Docta Dee, what's the motto? Like, I hear a lot about Docta Dee, but you don't know.
I mean, they call me the doctor. You know, the girl don't know why they call me that, but
I don't know why they call you that.
Why they call it Docta Dee?
you need to check the DMs.
No. I'm not jumping in your DMs.
Nah,
I'm not hearing
they've called
somebody.
Me that from young, you know, so it's just
Yeah.
one of them things. Yeah, I can hear my.
Yeah, I'm hearing you now.
It's
Yeah.
one of them things where it's a nickname where I grew up. They call me Docta Dee. Just someone who's, you know, trying to help everyone and help my people. So it's just a nickname that stuck with me
So
from
hold on,
young.
that Docta Dee thing was a jumping in them girl DM. That's why them said Docta DM.
Doctor D, not a medical doctor.
Oh,
you know,
okay.
but
So the play thing then.
one of them ones.
One of them ones. Alright. Oh, so you got the name as a pet name as a young man.
Yeah, as a young boy.
Alright, so you're an artist. What kind of artist are you?
I think first of all, you know, I grew up songwriting, so that's my main thing. I like to write music of all different genres. At the moment, I would say the lane that I'm in is pretty much Afro swing, but I do put out records and write for R&B, drum and bass, and just different types of different sounds.
Okay.
To clarify this thing, what's Afro swing? Because like, I'm a predominant dancehall DJ. I play Afrobeats, I play house music, I play grime,
Yeah.
I play bashment, I play everything. But like, I know the drill music is new, but what you classify as Afro swing?
For me, Afro swing literally is just being influenced by different cultures. So, you know, I'm a Nigerian, but then I've got Caribbean family members, and you know, my management is Caribbean as well. So when you just listen to all these different flavors and being grown up in London where Afro, you know.
So did you born in Nigeria or your parents are
No.
Nigerian?
Born in London. My parents are
So basically you have Nigerian heritage.
Nigerian heritage, yeah.
You're not a proper Nigerian from like.
Hey,
you
the
know
blood
what
is
I'm saying?
the
Yeah,
blood
no,
the
you know what I
blood
mean?
is the blood is green, and don't be fooled by the accent, man. The blood is green.
We all African by descent, but like.
If you see my name on my passport, you'll say this boy is Nigerian, man.
So-
I'm telling you.
So we're working with Doctor D because I'm
Dr.
sure I
D.
can't pronounce that name. So let's just move right along. Alright,
Yeah.
so the track that you are promoting is a Afrobeat song.
Yeah. It's an Afrobeat
And
song.
it's with how do you pronounce his name?
Ade Josh,
Ade
yeah,
Josh,
my
yeah?
bro Ade Josh.
Tell us about that track and how it came about.
Yeah, shout out to Dammy Bones. So me and my producer was just chilling. He was making the beat, and I just had an idea, and I said, you know what, Ade Josh would be the perfect like feature. So I reached out to him. Me and him over a short period of time became really close, and the chemistry is just crazy. We put that song and then happened to work on other music as well. And when he sent me back his verse, and I reached out to Damien and I was just like, yo, what do you think? And he goes, listen, let's just chuck this out, shoot a video. And I was just feeling like I just want to flex.
Yeah.
You know, I'm just feeling myself.
No pressure.
No pressure.
Yeah.
And I felt like everybody else needs to have that sort of reflection of themselves where you can just feel good about yourself. Summer's about to come. The vibes is, you know, there. Magnums, Cherry B's ready.
So on that note, what would you advise persons to do to get into the summer mood? Because I mean, you practically are there. You're just waiting for summer to actually.
For me,
appear.
summertime starts in your mind, man.
Yeah.
You know, as soon as you wake up, it's how you're feeling, it's your vibe. And that's what summer reflects for me. Like,
Okay, since we're talking about summer, like where can we look out for you for the summer? Like what place can we look out for you to perform and like your music to be played at for the summer?
Everywhere.
That's
I'm trying
kind of vague. Give us some spots.
I'm trying to push for everywhere. I'm trying to go to places like Amsterdam. I want to go Germany. I want to go.
That's where you're aiming for.
Back home. I want to be in Yard. I want to be.
Are you
Is there anything in the pipeline?
Festival?
Oh, anything in the
Yeah,
pipeline
yeah.
right now? I mean, I got a couple. I'm going to be in Croydon next week, I think. Next Thursday for
Okay.
Afro Box Live.
Okay. Where is that going to be?
England, Croydon.
We're in Croydon.
Croydon is huge.
Oh, yeah, Box Park, yeah.
All right, people, if you're in Croydon, check out Box Park. That's next week. When? Thursday.
Yeah, June 13th.
Yeah, so just check out that. It's going to be lit.
Trust me, man.
You know, that's why we have this thing to give everybody a plug where it's to be, to get your music out for more people to see what you're doing, because like some of the time, people been putting all this work, but it's going on the radar, and we see that happen so many times in the UK because like everybody's more focused on the America side of things.
Sure.
Yeah. I mean, a wise man once told me, you've got to start, building, and anyone that comes along that's going to support, you have to show love back in it. So that's why I'm grateful to be here, because at the end of the day, like you said, there's so many people putting out music that's going unnoticed. But anybody that's looking to plug you and give you that opportunity to be heard, I think it's really important to support your local stations, and also for the local stations to support, up and coming acts who...
I ain't bashing nobody, but like, I gotta say, like, some of the major stations in the UK, yeah, they play the black community like for half an hour or an hour each day. And I don't think that's right. And when you have these big black artists come to the UK, one invitation, they quick up and jump to those stations. I ain't gonna call no name, but they're not here. They don't see what we see. So I think that's wrong. You need to give the credit where it's due, because a lot of upcoming artists who are doing their bits, and now you see a lot of people coming to UK and taking bits and bobs from UK, Drake and everybody, and taking from African culture, Jamaican culture, and they're making it into this big hip hop culture that we know, that we think is all American and rare. But it's not really. To be honest.
Yeah, man, they take
originals.
No, 100%. I mean, Beyonce, she goes back, she goes back to the roots to get certain things.
And you know what? After that, it's time out to big up Akon, because he's doing bits in Africa.
100%.
Big up Akon, yeah? You don't know the thing, Akon, big up.
And that's what we aspire to do, man. Like, it's about going back. So,
about going back, and on the terms of aspirations, what is your aim in doing your music?
In the short term, I already told my team, like, the first I wanna go back home, and I wanna shut down, and I wanna build, and it's all about building. Like I remember Skepta, I think he built like a playground for his village, and things like that. For me, that's bigger than anything else, because there's so many people that won't even know who Skepta is back home, or they could only imagine him coming to to see him. So I want to be able to do that. I want to be able to help,
do that and more.
Do that and more, yeah. Definitely.
Or like,
I mean, right now I do quite a lot just for my family. So
I mean, that's vague. What do you consider as a lot, though? What is a lot?
Well, I don't really. I mean, wherever I need to financially support my family.
Okay.
I'm always gonna be there for them, and like thank God we have technology where I can Facebook message them. They can see what I'm up to. They're my biggest supporters.
Yeah.
So I definitely plan to go back and build and leave my mark as well, because I know I'm born in London, but trust me, like I was Nigerian raised. I got them licks at home to make sure I didn't.
You're in line.
Exactly, man. I don't forget where I came from. So. And that's what that matters for me.
Listen, like you have a lot of people like don't understand the foundation of what we're talking about on TGM Radio right now, yeah? Some of y'all born and raised in a different country, and your parents is from what we'll say, England, and if your parents from Africa, because we have Portuguese, we have South American, but we're talking to our community right now, the African, the Caribbean community scene. And if you're from that diaspora, we get the hardest start in life. We need to start supporting our business, our lifestyle, because, to be honest, in this country, we have less influence than everybody else, even though we was here before a lot of these people. And don't mean to bash anybody, and don't mean to be sound a bit racist or a bit culturist, but we need to start sticking up for each other.
True.
Yeah.
And social media,
I agree.
in terms of business, in terms of our artists,
and the music industry itself.
and the music industry, because like we don't have any.
You have to protect your art, man.
Any production, because like some want one kind, rather listen to grand music than, you know, some Afrobeats. Or someone who's doing Afro swing as what you say you're doing.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So
Support
if you see
their
an
own.
upcoming artist coming up and like, I hear your track is, it's not bad. It's not the best Afro swing song I hear. I could be real to your face.
Yeah, yeah.
But it's a good track. It can consume to the Londoners and
that's what it's.
people not.
That's what it is. It's a little taster, you know. It's like
For more of your projects that are
exactly.
coming, right?
It's just like.
So that song opened my eyes to you. Like, I want to
There
hear
we
what
go.
next.
I'm gonna drop something.
You
next,
understand?
know what I
Like,
so when can
I didn't
we
know about
expect-
you before.
When, that's true. Big up Charma. For
Trust
the,
me.
Big up Charma
Shout
for the
Charma,
introduction, yeah. And so, what other projects can we expect? Because we're running out of time.
Yeah, yeah.
So, what other projects can we expect from you in the upcoming months?
I'm
yeah?
I'm gonna drop another record called Smoke.
Tomorrow.
Not tomorrow,
Okay.
but when it's ready, I'm
we'll
gonna
know.
package it
Cool,
and I'm gonna
cool.
make sure you guys have
Yes,
it
please.
so that you can get to know me more.
Yes, please.
And you're gonna see a lot more from my team and us pushing the music and the way forward.
All right. And where
And-
can we find you on social media before we go? Because we're going to go to a special aspect of our program
Okay.
shortly. But before we get carried away, where can we find
Instagram
you on social media?
official Docta Dee, and that's DOCTA DEE. Twitter Docta Dee DOCTA DEE.
Okay. So I'm going to hand over to...
Remember, the man, parents probably tell him, like, you know, doctor or lawyer. We know how it's said in like, you know,
Yo,
know our background, you
my
know.
mom tried to force me to be
Okay,
both those
so-
things, man.
Well,
So Shawnee B, you know what I mean? All the man them we are listening to our program. I don't want to aspire from my next page, but listen. We need to promote some of these talent because we have a lot of young talent coming through.
yeah.
You guys have a better platform, a bigger platform. This is TGM Radio.
And
you
this
need
is
to
the Upnlive
give
show.
the man them 5 minutes on the spotlight, not all the big talents that been doing the same thing over and over.
Yeah.
So right now is the part we'll call, you know what I mean, freestyle, because we're not paying any money for this. So Docta Dee, are you ready for the freestyle?
What we saying? What beat you got?
Nah, I'm gonna throw that beat. I ain't telling you, bruv. I'm gonna throw that beat. We prefer reggae or hip hop thing.
Give me hip hop.
I got two beats, yeah? Alright, ready, let's go.
Off the top. Yeah. It's TGM. On the radio. Damien's. Thinking Docta Dee didn't write his bars, so I'm gonna go off the top and I'll do my thing. Yeah. So much talent that we bring. Niger boy, Afro swing, you know when. I can't curse, so I'm sitting back. You know, Docta Dee will bring it back. Switch it up, got the flow, tryna get this dough. Me, about my money, man, I got this, man, don't watch me though. Docta Dee, who? That's Docta Dee, songwriter of the year. You know I'm tryna get this P. Money up music, that's the movement. Tryna freestyle, say what's on my mind. Got in DMs, tryna get on my line. Got in the, tryna get on my line. She know I got her. She know I got it. Bring it back. Ludacris on the map. Tryna get my whole team, tryna do it like that. Might dab on these things, might do a little. Everybody in this room gonna vibe on my wave. Batman, man, I do it like Batman. Swing it back, man. Got the whole crew thinking money, yacht music, man. I'm gonna show them how I do it. Docta Dee in the building, man. I got this thing. You know me, I'm always about to win. I don't freestyle, I write hooks, so believe it. Everybody knows that I'm always down for
Let's
G's.
go!
Man, it ain't religious. We was in the whip talking about. I ain't even flopped,
you don't know, you
Hit the
know.
beat, and you know now. Get me gassed up, man. I'm feeling kinda cool. Got a shape up, man. I'm feeling kinda tall. 6'3",
This
man.
one is all about the
bare
reggae
pen.
dance hall. Let's go.
Damn, never knew that. I can jump on the mic, man. I knew that. Different kind of vibe, you know. I'm feeling kinda feeling kinda wavy, just like my hair. Yo, Jay, chilling over there. Yo, Damien, what you saying? Can I go in? I can't really swear, but I'm still trying to climb, still get top 20 on the map, still trying to jump on this hype. Me, I do Afro swing, do drum and bass, and I still stand.
Docta Dee, let's go!
Come we go, man, I'm still doing my thing. See batteries over there, man, I'm trying to get it in. My whole team, man, the whole squad, chilling. I can't run out of steam. I'm trying to do what I gotta do for this. Yeah, so we're gonna move clear. Yo, I'm telling, give me the green light, cause I'm trying to go though. Me, I'm trying to flow though. Me, I'm trying to get clear. Me, I'm clear. Me, I'm trying to escape. Me, I'm trying to get. Pull up in the I-8, I just bought a range. Mama said, Docta Dee, what you doing? You gotta pay this mortgage, you gotta get this game. And I said, Mom, don't worry, but I'm gonna get it again. Blacked out, man, I'm sitting kinda cool. See me, look at where handsome, man, I'm tall. 6'3", man, I said it, hey. Everybody knows, man, I don't play games. I'm just having rare fun with it. Everybody knows I'm gonna run with it. Switch up the beat, man, I'm trying to go. Docta Dee, you know how it goes. Yeah. Hey, man, it's been kind of ages. See me, the different spaces. Man, I watch his haters on the low though. Everybody on the TL, Love Island. I'm sitting here when I could be watching TV, but I'd rather be here, trying to put myself on the map. Man, I'm trying to fill this gap, still trying to get this P. Everybody knows I work in finance, but I'm still trying to get this music. Songwriting, different things, different categories. Man, I'm trying to be me, don't be mad at me. Just be glad that
Pull up. People, if you're here with us, that's Docta Dee on the beat.
Come on.
You know what I mean? Remember, he's an Afro singer. You know, I truck up bare things at him.
Man told me to freestyle, you know.
You know, when it's a freestyle, we ain't paying no money. You know what I mean? It's actual freestyle.
Off the top.
Off the top. I truck reggae music on him. I truck a bit of hip hop. I truck it back to reggae.
Mate.
Thumbs up if it's good. Thumbs down if it's not. Because you know, on the Upnlive show, we all about realness. So big up my Facebook Live crew right now.
Boom.
That was Docta Dee on the track. We go already, you know. Upnlive show, you know, we
make
do
sure
the
you
freestyle
check out
thing,
my
right?
video, Flex and Finesse.
Where can we find your video?
It's on YouTube, on my own channel, official Docta Dee as well.
Yeah. Anybody you want to shout out before we go?
Shout Charmer.
Just Charmer.
Shout Charmer. Shout the whole team, Money Up. Shout the management.
Yeah.
Shout Addy Josh. Alex Reloaded. The whole squad, man. Everybody knows who they are. You know, there's too many people to list off, but everybody that's supporting the movement. Shout out to you guys.
Yeah.
You know, TGM Radio. Thank you so much for having me.
No worries.
And
we can look out for you next Thursday at Boxback Croydon. East
Yeah,
Croydon,
yeah, yeah.
right? All right,
Yeah,
so I want
live.
to say thank you for passing through, Docta Dee, you know, and we wish you all the very best on your music career.
thank you very much, man. Look out for
We're
your
looking
emails.
Up, yeah, we're
I'm
looking
gonna
out
send
for
you that
yeah.
exclusive package.
Of course. And for all our viewers, you know, bless up on yourself. You know, the show is sponsored by Shushprint and Vastprint, and it is produced by World Mag. We are going to be handing over to Mr. Dragon All Stars so that he can gear himself up for
You know
the
what
plug.
the thing go.
Respect.